So this is footage of my drone. We just got back. This was on Christmas Eve. We just got back from dinner. This was at like 6 o'clock. It gets really dark early in Arizona because it's winter right now. And I tried to see maybe how good the city would look. As you can see in the top right corner, that is the Phoenix. That's basically Phoenix Lights. So basically, I didn't think much of it because it was night, and usually wind is a lot less at night than it is during the daytime. So I was just cruising, going pretty high. And then it started to pick up here, like where I was standing. It started picking up. I didn't think much of it, right? Because, I mean, my drone can easily handle that. Maybe it was like 10 miles per hour of wind. But up there, it was probably really high wind. So I started descending, and then I got stuck in a tree, as you can see. Basically, the wind picked up, and I just hit a tree. So my last option was get my flip-flop and throw it at it, in which I did, and it worked. So basically, I was actually worried that this tree was going to break because it was a very thin tree, like thin. It wasn't like your normal bulky tree. It was thin. So I got my flip-flop, ran to the drone before it started falling because it was decently high. I hit my flip-flop on the drone after a couple missed attempts. So this is me missing. Finally, in about, I don't know, pretty fast, I hit it and it fell, which was kind of funny but scary because I missed the catch. Oh, wow. It actually didn't play any of this. Wow. Because it must have broken at the time. Yeah. Basically, that's it.